I'm home.
남들처럼 평범한 부부라고 하기엔 조금은 정적이고 어두워 보이는 존과 카렌.
Had a good day?
No.
Get any grocery shopping?
No. Hey, I want to... Never mind. We'll talk about it tomorrow when you get home.
그 이유는 잠시 뒤에 나오지만 그녀는 극심한 우울증과 함께 존과 이혼까지 생각하고 있었습니다. 그리고 다음날 세상이 어지럽다 못해 믿기 힘든 일이 벌어지고 맙니다. 그것은 바로 원인 불명의 좀비 바이러스가 급속도로 퍼져 세상이 난장판이 되어가고 있었던 것.
What do you mean, biting?
Until further notice, food rationing is advised and should be avoided at all costs.
2 baked beans, 2, 3, 4.
정부는 최대한 집 밖으로 나오지 않을 것을 권고하지만 최근 들어 전혀 장을 보지 않아 먹을 것이 마땅치 않았고
That list is not going to last us more than a couple of days.
그렇게 그녀가 내린 결론은 비어있는 이웃집에 물건을 털어오는 것.
I really don't want to do this.
Rescue teams are out evacuating people. Put an X in your windows so that these rescue workers can find you. Until then, you are all urged to stay indoors and avoid physical contact with others. 1.03.2 at 3 p.m. for the latest updates.
I couldn't sleep, so I went out to get some stuff. Might as well stock up just in case.
At which point we'll return the things we've taken.
Of course.
Why only certain parts of the world are affected, or why those who are infected act the way they do. In return, all I'm asking of you is that you keep yourselves busy while you wait for help.
But this early?
I've been drinking wine every single day for a year. Ever since...
사실 이들 부부는 첫 아이를 사살한 적이 있었습니다.
I can't have any more. That was when we died, wasn't it? People throw pity parties for us to make themselves feel better about their own relationships. Hey, as long as we haven't got it as bad as them.
I know.
그 슬픔이 가시기도 전에 불임이 되었다는 사실 또한 알게 되고 자연스레 둘 사이의 거리가 서먹해지며 이혼까지 결심했던 것이죠.
I just wanted to see her grow. Pretty soon, we'll be gone too.
We're gonna get through this. Come on, practice makes perfect.
하지만 이렇게 아무것도 안 하고 죽을 수는 없기에 먼저 생존을 위한 준비를 단디 하기로 하죠.
Seriously. What else have you got under there?
사실 카렌은 집에 혼자 우울하게 있는 동안 여러 가지 금지 품목을 조금씩 손대고 있었습니다.
Get the fuck out of here.
What?
What do you mean what? You know what this is, right?
I know perfectly well what it is. Little bitch. And it was just collecting dust in the evidence locker room. No one even noticed when I switched a few things out. Cocaine, cannabis, LSD, Valium, amphetamine, ecstasy.
Oh, hello.
Block 718.
그렇게 그녀의 비밀을 하나둘씩 알게 되며 본의 아니게 한층 더 가까워진 두 사람.
What the shit?
Sorry.
My mother gave me that.
좀비들이 다가오지 못하게 깨진 조각을 방어선으로 이용하는데 이는 곧 이들의 평화를 깨줄 하나의 걸림돌이가 되죠. 집 앞에 놓은 유리 조각은 정처 없이 피신하고 있던 한 이웃의 눈에 들어옵니다.
Hello, hi.
Would you mind if we come in? We got stuck in the laundry room after the crash. There were infected people in our apartment. you wouldn't happen to have anything to eat? We kind of haven't eaten in 2 days now.
What the fuck are we gonna do now?
여기서 여자끼리는 이미 서로 얼굴은 알고 있는 상태.
You know, she was pregnant, a stillborn child. And I think now she can't get pregnant. Are we supposed to feed these two now as well? This cuts our food supplies in half. Yeah, and apparently, you know, after that, she just went. Yeah, bananas, totally. It's no excuse for taking down my reminders in the laundry room. She was doing her laundry right after me.
We can't just throw them out.
어쩌면 장기전이 될지도 모르는 마당에 이 상황이 달갑진 않지만 입소문이 퍼질만한 이웃인 만큼 억지로 호의를 베풀죠.
Sorry to be blunt, but what are your plans?
You want us to leave? Say the word.
No, of course not.
You're our guests.
That's very nice. What are you good at? What's that? What are you good at? Yeah, well, Leo is good at organizing, right? It's in your toolbox.
Emily is the best at cleaning. Yeah, aren't you?
You spruce the place up a little bit. How about you put some order in here?
Well, why don't we just tell them to go?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Think. How would that make us look? The whole neighborhood would find out that we hadn't helped them. I was thinking after breakfast you could get started on that thing we talked about. Honey, I fell asleep during that karate. Could we continue watching it?
I'm sorry.
결국 인내심이 폭발한 이들. 귀엽고 무시무시한 계획을 세우죠.
Can you believe this shit? This is gonna come down to them or us. We rise up. We take power. We play along with our game for now. Find their weaknesses and
Overpower them in their sleep.
we'll do it tonight.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it when you get all evil. We're all done with the socks. Should we do it now?
Do what? Bake you some cookies. Thank you for having us stay. After all, you're our guests. Let me bake them though.
That's nice.
It is nice.
You're really super nice.
뒤에서는 이를 갈아도 면전에선 굉장히 친절한 사람들.
Enjoy.
And what did you pick?
Out of Africa. When they thought I was asleep, I heard them say, should we do it now?
What do you want to do about it?
뭔가 수상함을 눈치챈 카렌은 이들의 체력을 소모시킬 만한 신박한 방법을 떠올립니다.
Oat cookies. Usual plus secret ingredient.
These are really good. What's the secret ingredient?
Amphetamines.
How much?
All of it.
Oh, coffee. Oh, yes, coffee. Oh, did you see that YouTube clip?
Oh, with the sneaky cat.
The sneaky cat, yes, of course, the sneaky cat. What is it called? What's also very, very, very weird, the water can be a solid or a gas. You're so super nice.
그런데 넣어도 너무 많이 넣은 걸까 그대로 심장이 멈춰버리고 마는데
Son of a fucking bitch.
What should we do to the bodies? What the hell was that?
알고 보니 이들은 진작에 좀비 바이러스에 감염되어 있었던 것. 하룻밤을 같이 보낸 존과 카렌도 졸지에 불안 요소를 뒤집었습니다. 이러다 죽을 수도 있겠구나라는 생각과 동시에 꼭 살아나가서 제2의 인생을 살아보고 싶다라는 욕구 또한 생깁니다.
I'm gonna go out being myself. Every day could be our last. If we make it out of here alive, I want to adopt a child. A lot of love to give. And when there's no outlet for it, start living again.
I'll never stop loving you.
I guess I'll never stop loving you either.
그리고 여태까지 눈치 보면서 하지 못했던 진솔한 이야기를 통해 그동안에 둘 사이를 가로막았던 벽이 조금씩 허물어지는 듯했죠.
A huge disappointment in life for both of us. I withdrew. I hid within myself and behind my job. But the thing about life is you have all these ideas about how you want it to turn out, and then it doesn't turn out that way. So know that happiness, my happiness, couldn't be determined but by what I can't have. Really wanting is another chance. And you know, maybe it's true what they say, but the main thing is the journey.
그렇게 행복에 젖을 때쯤 때마침 찾아온 구조대. 가 아닌 불청객들.
Seeing that your light is still on. Everyone else is gone. So what's she worth to you? Go in and collect your money, your jewelry, your valuables, or whatever. No, you touched her! What are you going to do about it? You guys all right? Yeah, they got a lot of crap.
It was her!
Don't you fucking touch her!
Wait.
이런 상황을 대비해 열심히 훈련했던 존과 카렌. 이제 남은 건 여기서의 탈출뿐인데 구조대가 이들을 못 보고 있다면 직접 나가서 신호를 주는 방법밖에 없다는 걸 깨닫습니다.
We don't stop and fight. We just chop, keep going.
You want my love back? I love you now more than ever.
그러다 카렌이 좀비에게 물리고 마는데
There's probably a vaccine out there by now. I mean, there's probably been one all along.
생각보다 변이 속도가 빨라지자 그녀를 위해 많은 걸 해주고 싶었던 존.
Yeah. You drink that. It's not working. Just keep you afloat until help arrives.
It's no use.
This is what we're doing! It's my choice!
Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now, tomorrow, we're going to wake up to the sound of a knocking at the door. It's the rescue team. But then you start to get a little sick.
And we'll have loads of grandchildren. Crazy big family.
We need a bigger house. But the thing I look forward to more than anything is the fact that I get to grow old with you. Here you go.
Honey,
It's fine.
작게나마 새로운 희망을 품고 버티지만 현실은 가혹하게도 이들의 행복을 기다려주지 않았습니다.
you were my lighthouse. I had gotten myself into a dark place, but you pulled me back into the light. When I look back on it, my life has been perfect, and it's all thanks to you. I'm so happy that I met you, and that you chose me. There's only one word that sums you up. Perfect. In my nightmare, however, the hunger took over, and I couldn't let it take you. So I'm asking you for one last thing. End my nightmare.
Forgive me.
Is anyone here? There's no one here. What the fuck?
결국 존은 그녀를 떠나지 못하고 영원히 함께하는 선택을 하며 영화는 끝을 맺습니다. 이 영화는 조금은 독특한 설정을 가지고 있는 좀비물로 위장한 드라마 장르입니다. 물고 뜯는 좀비 영화를 기대하고 보시는 분들께는 매우 큰 실망을 안겨줄 수도 있는 이 영화는 시청자의 성향에 따라 큰 감동을 줄 수도 혹은 그 반대가 될 수도 있습니다. 마치 흔한 좀비물에서 등장하는 여러 피해자 가운데 그중 좀비가 된 부부의 사연은 어땠는지 어떠한 과정을 거쳤는지를 보여준 셈이죠. 러닝타임 대부분이 집이고 등장인물도 많지 않기 때문에 굉장히 지루해질 수도 있는 부분을 주인공들의 연기력과 그 이야기로 집중시키면서 상당히 색다른 느낌을 안겨줍니다. 특히 깊은 갈등으로 인해 이혼까지 생각했던 부부가 조금씩 끈끈해지고 다시 새로운 사랑을 하며 마지막엔 서로를 위한 선택을 한다는 아름다움 또한 꽤 인상에 남죠. 이런 거 보면 자신의 곁에 있는 사람들이야말로 든든한 버팀목이자 진정한 행복이 아닐까 하는 생각이 듭니다. 전체적으로 약간 코믹하게 풀어내긴 했지만 잔인하고 격한 내용의 일반적인 좀비물과 다르게 조금 색다른 영화를 접해보고 싶으신 분들께 추천드립니다. 이상 영화 주였습니다.